The Subaru Outback has always been the weird but lovable Swiss Army knife of vehicles. But now, in 2026, things look different. Sleeker, sharper, stronger. So has Subaru finally given the Outback the edge it's always deserved? Or is this just hype on a shiny grille? Smash that like button if you love honest car reviews. Hit subscribe to ride along with us. And now let's dive deep into the all-new 2026 Subaru Outback. Looking at the image, the 2026 Subaru Outback gets a much bolder presence right out of the gate.
I just wish he knew.
The grille is more aggressive than ever, wider, darker, and trimmed with a gunmetal surround that feels almost premium. The Subaru badge pops in the middle, and the honeycomb mesh design gives it a more athletic stance. The headlights, slimmer, sharper, and now with a mean LED signature that looks ready for night drives through snow or canyon curves. Integrated LED fog lamps tucked into angular housings finish the look with a rugged, rally-ready punch. From the side, Subaru sticks with the long roofline that defines the Outback's wagon SUV hybrid DNA. You still get that high ground clearance 8.7 inches standard, 9.5 on wilderness trims, which means this thing still climbs over snowbanks like it's nothing. You'll notice tougher cladding around the wheel arches, and depending on your trim, you'll see upgraded 18 or 19-inch wheels with fresh designs that lean toward off-road adventure rather than city style. Subaru also refined the window line slightly tighter, slightly sleeker, giving the Outback a more dynamic silhouette without compromising visibility. Outback, Subaru didn't reinvent the wheel, they evolved it. The taillights are more angular, with tighter LED graphics that echo the front end's modern vibe. A chunkier rear bumper with integrated reflectors gives the Outback a tougher, more planted look. Wilderness trims dial it up with black badging, beefed up skid plates, and an aggressive roof spoiler. It's not flashy, but that's the point. It looks ready to get dirty without trying too hard. Inside, the 2026 Outback continues to surprise. It's rugged, yes, but now also refined. You get an updated 11.6-inch vertical touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, available Nappa leather on Touring XT ventilated front seats, and heated everything. The cabin's quieter thanks to added insulation, and cargo space remains generous 75.6 cubic feet with the rear seats folded. Perfect for that camping trip or hauling gear on a whim. And here's a bonus. Subaru's EyeSight Driver Assist Suite now includes a wider field of vision and smoother adaptive cruise. Safety has always been their strong suit, and now it's even stronger. Subaru's kept pricing competitive, though it's creeping up as tech and capability improve. Base, approximately $30,500. Premium, approximately $32,500. Onyx Edition XT, approximately $35,000. Wilderness, approximately $39,000. Touring XT, top trim, approximately $44,000 plus. Is it still worth it? For the blend of AWD capability, reliability, and everyday practicality, absolutely. You're getting more than just a wagon. You're getting a lifestyle machine. If you're someone who lives for the in-between between SUV and sedan, between city and mountain trails, the 2026 Outback still nails that balance better than just about anything else out there. So, what do you think? Is this the upgrade you were hoping for, or were you expecting more? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and we'll catch you on the next adventure.